Hey guys, welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. Check out this legend among vintage chainsaws, the Homelite Super XL Automatic. This old classic packs a 58cc engine with 3.3 horsepower and of course an automatic oiler. You know, the Super XLs were homeowner favorites and pros back in the day and still work great today. So this one's got a 16-inch solid nose bar. The chain is in great shape, just a truly nice vintage chainsaw. I guess the question you all really have is, how does it run? Well, let's get it fired up. Click on the link below for pictures and details, or to buy this saw right now at a very affordable price. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.